Alright, getting my hand line back out again. I mean, that works. Come on. I'm eating tonight. I'm eating tonight.
It's huge.
Stay away from other lines. Dude, it's giant. She's in too shallow. Oh, no, no, no. What? It's the biggest one of the day. What?
No.
What just happened? Oh my gosh, I don't even know where the thing went.
It's huge.
Oh my gosh.
Show me some love.
Oh my goodness, that was crazy. Alright, I guess just try to get her out of there best you can. I'm just gonna try to kill this lion up, hopefully.
Oh, she stuck me.
30, 35, 40.
We're gonna get roasted either way. Do you want pictures? You need a picture with this.
I think I at least need a picture holding my hand line. Terrifyingly cold. Alright guys, no joke, that was on the hand line.
Right here. Here, I don't know.
Let me just get this line up real quick.
We're probably got a catfish or gar on. Henry just this behemoth buffalo.
Alright guys, caught this on the KABAR hand fishing tool. I don't know, pretty crazy, 30-pound braid. Gotta be at least 30 pounds. Go ahead and get her on back. That's nuts. That was fun, I'm gonna do it again.
I can give her a good release in clear water if you want me to.
It's all good.
Massive fish.